What up, guys? It is time for another product review, and I've been waiting on this one. I've been waiting all week for this one, and I just got that alert, and I picked it up from the mailbox. Wow, that FlexSeries Ultimate Grooming Guide. Ooh, that grooming guide! I cannot wait for this. All right, it's go time. We are now fully charged. Took about 30 to 45 minutes. Not that long. We got our secondary attachment, the flexible heads. Let's go ahead and get that attached. Now, it says it's supposed to be able to work on wet or dry surfaces. Wet or dry. So, we're going to start off with dry. Exactly why I didn't shave my head. After that, we're going to hit some head slick and see how it does under pressure. Let's take a look. I wasn't expecting that. I thought it was going to be a fail. I really thought it was going to be a fail. So I have to admit, when I did it on the dry side, it was a lot quicker and it went smoothly. Surprised me. Now when I lathered up, maybe because I'm doing it at the sink, but it still took a little bit longer, but it still got the job done. So probably going to attempt to do the rest in the shower and see how it comes out, and we'll go from there. But ultimately, whether it's dry or wet, it gets it just as close. And I can actually use this every day in the shower. Keep it short and simple. I don't have to worry about all this fuzz coming back. Men, if you're tired of shaving, I'm gonna say go ahead and go with the Freedom Grooming. Hey, it is what it is. It's legit, it's the truth. I have to say, it's worth the price. Now I'm gonna continue to use it and see how it goes. I have to say, ultimately, I am actually satisfied. Like, I've gone through the Remington. It cuts, but it doesn't get too close. I've gone through the ball, trying to sit here and maneuver this on my head. I've gone through the ball. I've cut myself a couple times with this. The little rotating ball. I've cut myself a couple times with that. We've all gone through the razors, but I ultimately have to say that the Freedom Grooming kit is legit.